you guys get? The gummy ones. No, not the jelly beans.
I like jelly beans.
He likes these ones. Oh, yeah, this one. The gummy bears.
This is mom's.
That's what she wants?
Yeah, and this is Cornelius's.
What are you getting?
I got the waffle or something.
Alright, Cornelius got, what is the strawberry yogurt with gummy bears and jelly beans and a wafer. We've got pineapple and thing. Is it nice? It's the button. Because she wants to sit here. And it's small. Okay, go back over there. Hey, hold it. Oh, that's cool, it stands. Alright, we're gonna move back over there because just for poco, we're right next to the bathroom. Alright, so this is what we came for. I love this. Nutella and cream and banana. I swear, it gets bigger and bigger. It gets bigger and bigger. She got peanut, Ella got the same, so just waiting on that. Alright, I'm almost done with mine. It's so good. I think I want some more. Nah. Ella just got her one. Same one. I'm still waiting for Tina's one.
Yeah, eat jelly beans.
That's the full one. That's what one looked like, and now look how my one looks like. Alright, Tina's one finally got here. She got a chocolate brownie with peanuts and are those Maltesers? Oh no, they're chocolate they're chocolate peanuts. Chocolate peanuts. Yum. I'm still trying to finish my one. I'm definitely gonna have some of that. Alright, so
The combo doesn't go.
what is the verdict? What is your verdict for this?
Not nice.
She said that's not nice.
I'd give it like a 3.
A 3?
Did you eat it?
10, yeah, there. Yeah. Nah.
No, it's the peanut.
The combo's not nice. I don't even like the brownie. But
Not even nice.
10, 10, 10. I finished off Cornelius' one because he didn't want it. But this is the one I always get, so I'll put it to 10. I usually get chocolate, so how was the Nutella?
It's the same as, it's nice. I just prefer chocolate.
Why did you get chocolate?
Smile.
It's not on there.
Smile. She just looks angry like. And Cornelius is on the phone now because he's tutoring everything. Everything.
Noah built
and us.
ark. Noah built an ark.
Noah
Built
and
an
ark.
good boy.
Years.
Bless you. Past.
And more people were born.
I'm born. Often.
Then
They.
they did bad. There's
Things.
things that
God
God then
became
became
sorry.
He ever
Eva.
made the world.
Good boy.
Okay, Cornelius, what is the capital of New Zealand?
Wellington.
What is the capital of Australia?
Auckland.
Starts with C. Oh, bless you. Canberra. What is the capital of India?
It's New Delhi.
Wow.
New Delhi. Yes.
Go from the top. Say it.
Why? What? Who? Where? When? Why?
Great job. Of hot?
It's cold.
Cold. Great job.
And
And what's the opposite of fast?
fast is slow.
Slow.
No, so slowly.
Slowly. What's another opposite?
Big or small. Hot and cold. Hot and slow.
Can you tell me?
Big girl. So soft and hot. Fast and slow. Hot and cold. Big or small. Opposite that. Again. 7 continents in the rainbow.
Ready? What's this one? What's the first one?
Papa.
Look up. Cornelius, what's the first one?
Astronaut.
No. Look at it. Asia.
Asia.
And?
Australia.
And?
Australia.
What's this one? Look up.
Africa.
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 Europe. Stop.
Europe.
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
You've rubbed out the A. What's this one?
Hey.
What's this one? Okay, right A.
White. The top and the bottom.
Okay, great job. What's this one?
No. What the
Cornelius?
animals? No. America. So. South America. No. Earth. Me. Meh. Four. Try again. Four. Five. 6. 7. 9. 8. 9. 10. 11. I got you. 12. Let's do it again. 10. Pizza.
What is it?
Just like a pizza.
It's a pizza? But what's this?
There's a clock.
It's a clock. Oh. So he's playing with his Play-Doh now. He only gets one Play-Doh because he mixes them together. You doing stars?
Yeah, doing stars. Uh-oh. It's upside 8. Uh-oh.
What's next?
It's like P.
Where's P? Can you find where P? Oh, bless you, son. Here's P.
Yeah, here's P.
You've got a little bit of Play-Doh left with this
I
color.
get some push P.
Here you go. Oh, you squashed it. It's too small. I know. We can just go like this. So just fill it in. Fill it in. I think this is the last letter for this color. And then we can do that color. Cornelius mixed these colors.
Next one.
So now it made like a light lime green. Okay, now I've got to pop this back out, dang it. Great. Oh,
Let us stop.
oh, there we go.
Hey,
That'll do. Okay, there you go. What's next?
Q.
Q? Hmm.
Uh-oh.
Can you find Q? Oh, maybe there's nothing. Can you find Q? It's around here. It's around this area. Where is it?
That's Q.
Q. Alright, we're going to change it up. Do this color. Look, he mixed this one. Look at it. It's a nice color there. It's like a space grey with some blue.
You. Duh. That's you.
Okay.
You. Let's put you. Oh, so squishy. This is you. You.
What's next?
V.
V.
Hey, where's W, X, and Y, and Z?
Well, we gotta find the rest. T, U.
V, W, X, Y, and Z.
There it is.
Squish. Yeah! Yo! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time I see me.
Great job.
Yeah.
I like your numbers. What number is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
What's
7.
this one?
4.
Oh, that's a nice 4. Very unique.
Yeah, it's unique.
Yeah, it's unique.
It's unique at 4.
Yeah, it's a very, very, very wide 4.
And 4 unique.
What number are you making now? What number are you making? Number? What number is this?
8.
Ah,
It's 8. It's so sticky.
Ace is so sticky.
No, 8 of 4 sticky.
What? 8 of odd. Did he say sticky?
Then 2.
What is this in? 8 is...
And the face.
It's in your face.
And 4 sticky.
Are you saying sticky?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sticky 8.
Say sticky, not a dicky.
It's
What
sticky
number is
8.
that one?
It's sticky 8. It's sticky 8.
Okay.
It's 6 0.
Whoa. She just rolled a video. What number are you making?
Number.
You're making a 12?
Yeah.
You can't fit.
12.
Look at his 4.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The next one is 1.
Look at his 4. You're so clever. What did you make? Can I see? Where is it? This is a scary one. Son, turn it around. Can I see? Can I see the eyes? Can I see the eyes? Oh. Wow, cool.
Oh, this is my flag.
Is it a monster?
Yeah. See?
Whoa, that's so scary. Hey, hey, hey. What?